If you've ever recorded a vertical video and later realized you need it in a landscape format, this CapCut tutorial is going to save you a lot of time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a vertical video to a landscape video in CapCut quickly and easily, so you can turn phone footage into a widescreen format that looks much better for YouTube, presentations, or desktop viewing. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your computer and either create a brand new project or open an existing one if you already have your edit started. If you're starting from scratch, this is the easiest place to begin, because you can bring in your vertical video and set the correct format right away. Once CapCut is open, import your vertical video into the project. You can usually do this by clicking the import option and selecting the file from your device. After your clip appears in the media panel, drag it down onto the timeline so it becomes part of your edit. At this point, you'll notice the video is still in a vertical format, which is normal because the original footage was shot that way. Now look at the preview window. This is where CapCut shows your video as you make changes. Near the preview area, you'll see an option called Ratio. Click Ratio to open the aspect ratio settings. This is the step that controls how your project is displayed. Once the ratio menu opens, select 16:9. This is the standard landscape format used for most YouTube videos, widescreen content, and horizontal playback. As soon as you choose 16:9, CapCut will switch the project from vertical to landscape. Your video will now be formatted for a wider screen layout instead of a tall mobile screen layout. Depending on how your clip was recorded, you may notice empty space around the video or the need to reposition it. If that happens, you can adjust the clip in the preview so it fits the frame better. The main goal is to make sure your vertical footage is placed properly inside the landscape project so it looks clean and intentional. And that's really all there is to it. By changing the ratio to 16:9, you've successfully converted a vertical video into a landscape video in CapCut. This is a simple but powerful trick if you want to repurpose short-form content or make your vertical clips usable in a widescreen format. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.